Welcome, in this video I will show the loudest speaker level of Samsung Galaxy M52 5G. I will measure the sound with this decibelometer, and right now I'm going to set up this device to the maximum volume mode. As you can see, it turned on, and it means that these values on the screen, it's only changed when the device registered the highest volume level than the previous one. You can also check the list of other devices, the link you will find in the description of this video. So let's start. Okay, so as you can hear, that's how the speaker sound, and it reached 111.4 decibels. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.